Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a glass material for Blender's EEVEE. So to get started, I'm gonna create a cube and make it a bit bigger and slimmer. And I'm gonna leave this cube to see if it's actually working. So I am going to create a new material for this slim cube object and make a glass material by increasing transmission and decreasing roughness. And if you actually go to the render view, you will not see through this object. To fix this, you will scroll down to the settings and you can enable screen space refraction. It's still not working because there's more settings in the render setting. So if you go to render setting and enable screen space reflections and refraction as well, and now it's working. And you can make the refraction more sharper by reducing the roughness, or if you want to make it a bit more blurry, you can increase roughness. So that's kind of a frosted glass. Anyways, that's it for this tutorial.